Hi guys, it's me Roselyn, my baby Daenerys. Okay, so we will talk about the options that you can do when your adjustment of status to permanent resident is denied. Because I remember there is one of my subscriber asking me what they will do because her adjustment of status was denied. Okay, so if USCIS rejects your application for adjustment of status, it will send you a written notification informing you the reason for the denial. There is no procedure for appealing on this decision, but you may be able to request that the USCIS review its decision or simply reapply. Okay? But unfortunately, you may also have the opportunity to have an immigration judge hear your case. That's because if you don't have a valid or unexpired right to be in the United States, most likely under a visa, USCIS will send you into immigration court or removal proceedings. Okay? So, if you're requesting USCIS review, in certain situations, you can ask USCIS Administrative Appeals Office, okay? USCIS Administrative Appeals Office or AAO to review the decision. This is done on Form I-290B. Okay, however, you'll need an attorney to help you with this, okay, because it's kind of complicated. If you want to make sure that they will approve your request to review, okay. And this idea is to prove that the USCIS personnel who reviewed your case made a mistake, and USCIS rarely likes to admit to mistakes, okay. And you must pay an application fee for this review, which is currently $630 US. And it is important to file a request for review quickly, okay? Don't waste your time to think what you will do. It took you months and months to make a decision what you will do. No, okay? Baby, stop. Once you receive the written notice, you have to request for review quickly if you want to send a review, okay? You have 30 calendar days from the date of service of the decision to submit the request. Okay, 30 days. It's only 30 days. If the decision was mailed to you, you must submit this request within 33 calendar days. Weekends and public holidays are counted while determining the number of the days. Okay? And once USCIS receives your request to review, it will process your request and inform you of its decision in writing. Baby, stop. Stop. Okay, and you have other option if you don't want to send a request to review. Most adjustment of status denial are made without prejudice, meaning you can file another application for a green card. Okay, this can actually be easier than filing a request for review because you're not asking USCIS to admit a mistake. Okay, if you don't want to send a request for review, you can reapply your application for green card. However, if you don't have a lawful right to remain in the United States, you may have to leave in order to succeed at this. Meanwhile, if you have already spent time in the United States unlawfully, you may not be allowed to back for several years. Don't make a decision about what to do without consulting an attorney first, because you need an attorney for this, okay? Then of course, you'll need to make sure that you've cleared up whatever underlying problem cause your adjustment. Okay, of course, you'll need to make sure that you're cleared up whatever underlying problem caused cause your adjustment of status application to be denied. Unfortunately, not all problems can be cleared up. For example, if you're clearly inadmissible because of criminal record, or USAIS has obtained convincing evidence that your marriage is fraudulent, neither appeals nor further application are likely to help much. So, because that is a big deal for them. Okay, the criminal record. But for other, like, other cause, I think you can still reapply. You can try. Okay, so if you have questions, clarifications, please feel free to comment on my video, and I do research for this to answer the question of one of my subscribers. Okay, have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye. I carry her because if I will not carry her, she will cry. She is crying. That's why I carry her. And now she's screaming, ah, practicing letter ah. Have a great day, everyone. I'm sorry for that. Bye-bye.